This is the inferior vena cava. This is the superior vena cava. This is the brachiocephalic veins, left and right. This brachiocephalic trunk. This is the subclavian vein that goes into the axillary vein. This is the external jugular. This is the internal jugular vein. This is the external jugular vein. This is the internal jugular vein. This is the pulmonary trunk. This is the ascending aorta, the arch aorta, and this is the ductus arteriosus. This is the descending aorta. This is the brachiocephalic artery / trunk. This is the right common carotid. This is the left common carotid. This is the subclavian artery, which goes into form the left auxiliary artery. This is the right subclavian artery, which would go into to form the right auxiliary artery.
Okay, this is the inferior vena cava. Forms the two common iliacs here. It goes down to form the internal iliac and the external iliac, which goes down to form the femoral artery, femoral vein, and the deep femoral vein, and then the umbilical vein.
This is the celiac trunk. This is the SMA. This is the renal vein. This is the renal artery. This is the aorta. This is, where is it? Right here. The IMA.
Omar, can you put him back?
This is the external iliac, umbilical artery.
Where's he at? Right there.
Umbilical artery. Let's go here.
Wanna? Did we throw out the rubber bands too?
Right here, the internal iliac, and then this is the femoral artery and deep femoral.